We're here with Brandon from Brooklyn Kura, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what this place is about. They just recently opened last month?
Last month.
So what can people expect when they come here?
So we're a sake brewery and tap room. People can come here and try sake on tap and learn a little bit more about sake.
So can you tell us a little bit of like what is sake, and maybe show me, I'm very curious to go to the back area and see what's happening there.
Sure. So not a lot of people know exactly what sake is in the United States. It's a fermented beverage made from 4 ingredients, from rice, water, something called koji, and yeast.
Okay.
And I can take you back and show you
Cool.
how we make it.
Let's check it out.
Okay. This is where we ferment the sake. We have our big fermentation tanks back here. This is the press that we use to press the cloudy sake into clear sake, and then it gets stored here before we bottle it and open it on tap.